Question 1. Why is normalization used in database design? Correct answer, A. To reduce redundancy and anomalies. Question 2. Why is third normal form generally favored over second normal form? Correct answer, C. It removes transitive dependencies. Question 3. Why is foreign key essential in relational schema? Correct answer, B. To enforce referential integrity. Question 4. Why does a deadlock occur in transaction management? Correct answer, C. Due to cyclic waiting. Question 5. Why is the acid property important in DBMS? Correct answer, C. For ensuring reliable transactions. Question 6. Why might denormalization be used in real-world systems? Correct answer, C. To optimize read-heavy systems. Question 7. Why is a clustered index preferred for range queries? Correct answer, B. It sorts data physically. Question 8. Why do we use transactions in database systems? Correct answer, C. To maintain consistency and isolation. Question 9. Why is a primary key different from a unique key? Correct answer, B. Unique key allows nulls. Question 10. Why is phantom read a problem in databases? Correct answer, D. It returns different results due to new rows. Question 11. Why is the truncate command faster than delete in SQL? Correct answer, B. It bypasses transaction control. Question 12. Why is the model used in conceptual database design? Correct answer, C. It represents entities and their relationships. Question 13. Why might two-phase commit protocol be necessary in distributed DBS? Correct answer, C. To ensure atomicity across systems. Question 14. Why is isolation level important in transaction management? Correct answer, B. It determines concurrency level. Question 15. Why would a database use shadow paging instead of logging? Correct answer, C. It reduces I/O overhead. Question 16. Why do we normalize up to BCNF? Correct answer, B. To ensure no non-prime attribute. Question 17. Why do databases use indexing? Correct answer, C. To speed up data retrieval. Question 18. Why is the log-based recovery technique reliable? Correct answer, C. It ensures changes can be undone, redone. Question 19. Why does two-phase locking guarantee serializability? Correct answer, C. It controls concurrency using lock timing. Question 20. Why is functional dependency crucial in relational schema design? Correct answer, B. It forms the basis for normalization. Question 21. Why is data independence important in DBMS architecture? Correct answer, B. It separates data from applications. Question 22. Why is lossless decomposition preferred in schema design? Correct answer, C. It ensures original data can be reconstructed. Question 23. Why is relational algebra considered a procedural query language? Correct answer, C. It specifies how to obtain results. Question 24. Why is a surrogate key used in some databases? Correct answer, C. It avoids composite keys. Question 25. Why is write-ahead logging, WAL, necessary in DBMS recovery? Correct answer, C. It ensures logs are written before changes. Question 26. Why do some DBMS use bitmap indexes? Correct answer, C. For low cardinality attributes. Question 27. Why is cascading rollback needed in concurrency control? Correct answer, C. To undo operations of dependent transactions. Question 28. Why are schedules tested for conflict serializability? Correct answer, C. To ensure result is equivalent to serial execution. Question 29. Why might horizontal fragmentation be used in distributed databases? Correct answer, B. To partition data based on rows. Question 30. Why is optimistic concurrency control suitable for certain systems? Correct answer, C. It assumes low conflict and validates later. Question 31. Why is concurrency control essential in DBMS? Correct answer, C. To manage simultaneous access. Question 32. Why does DBMS use undo and redo logs? Correct answer, C. To recover from failures. Question 33. Why is view serializability stricter than conflict serializability? Correct answer, C. It ensures the same final state. Question 34. Why is a materialized view different from a regular view? Correct answer, B. It stores data physically. Question 35. Why are foreign key constraints useful in relational schema? Correct answer, C. To ensure referential integrity. Question 36. Why might we use hashing in database systems? Correct answer, C. To quickly locate data. Question 37. Why does DBMS allow multiple indexes on a single table? Correct answer, B. To support different query types. Question 38. Why is timestamp ordering used in concurrency control? Correct answer, B. To serialize transactions logically. Question 39. Why does BCNF eliminate more anomalies than 3NF? Correct answer. C. It ensures every determinant is a candidate key. Question 40. Why is indexing on foreign keys common? Correct answer. C. To speed up join operations.